Have you ever seen a bird so colorful that it looks like it was painted, not born? Deep in the forests of Africa, there's a creature that seems almost unreal. A flash of bright green in the trees, and then suddenly, a burst of glowing red wings slicing through the air. Meet the Turaco, one of the most unusual birds on Earth. At first glance, the Turaco might not seem that extraordinary. It's medium-sized, with soft green feathers and a gentle appearance. But the deeper you look, the more surprising it becomes. Because this bird is hiding a secret that even science finds fascinating. You see, most birds don't actually have green pigment in their feathers. Their color is created by light reflecting in a special way, an optical illusion. But the Turaco is different. Its green color is real. It comes from a rare pigment called Turaco, something almost no other bird on the planet has. Nature didn't just reflect color here, it created it. And that's only the beginning. When the Turaco spreads its wings, something even more shocking appears, a deep, glowing crimson red. This color comes from another unique pigment called tyrosine, which actually contains copper. Yes, copper, the same metal used in wires and coins, flowing through the feathers of a bird. It's as if nature decided to break its own rules. But the Turaco is not just about looks. Its behavior is just as fascinating. Unlike many birds, Turacos aren't strong flyers. Instead, they prefer to move through the forest by hopping and climbing. They leap from branch to branch with surprising agility, almost like squirrels. In the dense canopy of African forests, this makes them perfectly adapted to their environment. They rarely come down to the ground. The trees are their entire world, their home, their shelter, and their source of food. And speaking of food, Turacos are mostly fruit eaters. They play an important role in the ecosystem by spreading seeds across the forest. Every fruit they eat helps new plants grow somewhere else. In a way, they are silent gardeners of the jungle. But if you think such a beautiful bird would have a soft, melodic voice, think again. The call of a Turaco is loud, sharp, and sometimes startling. Some people say it sounds more like a monkey than a bird. Hearing it echo through the forest can feel almost mysterious, like a signal from something unseen. There's another strange detail about Turacos that many people don't know. When they are born, their chicks have tiny claws on their wings. These claws help them climb and grip branches before they fully develop their feathers. It's a rare and ancient trait, a small reminder of their evolutionary past, almost like a living connection to the earliest birds on Earth. Turacos usually live in pairs or small groups. Males and females look almost identical, making them hard to tell apart. They are social, alert, and deeply connected to their environment. But despite all of this, the Turaco remains one of the least talked about birds in the world. No big documentaries, no viral fame. Just a quiet, colorful life hidden in the forests, which makes it even more special, because sometimes the most extraordinary things in nature are the ones we rarely see. So next time you think about the most beautiful or unusual animals on Earth, remember the Turaco, a bird with real green feathers, wings painted with copper red, a climber, a gardener, and a mystery all in one. A bird that doesn't just live in nature. It looks like nature itself decided to create a masterpiece.